Hi everybody, how are you? How is everything? I think everything is going well. It's the second part of methods of paragraph writing. I think you have read it or have watched the YouTube regarding methods of paragraph writing, comparison and contrast, and classification. And the third one is which is called definition. Yeah, this is the third way. The third ways of writing paragraph, as you understand from what definition means. Just there might be some titles or just contents that are going to be written or that are going to be developed by giving the correct definition of that intent. That kind of paragraph development is definition. You simply define what it does, and readers may get something about that definition. So this is also another way of giving or writing paragraph definition. Give correct definition for the word, give correct definition for the title or the topic that you will write. That's definition mean. Whenever you define the paragraph, the title, the defining statement is called the topic sentence. I will repeat once. definition የአንድን ነገር ሐሳብ ርዕሱን ትርጉሙን ጽፈን ፓራግራፉን ስንጽፍ የተዘረዘረው የተገለጸው ሐሳብ የፓራግራፉ ጭብጥ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ዋና ጭብጥ ሆነ። ስለዚህ በተሰጠው ትርጉም ላይ መሰረት አድርገን ሐሳባችንን ሰፖርት እያደረግን የምንሄድ ከሆነ ፓራግራፉን ሰፖርት ሊያደርጉ የሚችሉት ኤቪደንሶች የፓራግራፉ ዝርዝር ሐሳብ ወይም የዲፋይን የተደረገው ጉዳይ ዝርዝር ሐሳቦች ናቸው። እነዛን ዝርዝር ሐሳቦች በውስጡ አምቆ የያዘው ሰንተንስ ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ እንለዋለን። For instance, deforestation is the removal or the cutting down of trees. This is definition that I will start the paragraph by defining what deforestation is, right? ስለዚህ deforestation ማለት ዛፎችን ማጥፋት ያላግባብ ማጥፋት መቁረጥ ማለት ነው፣ ማስወገድ ማለት ነው። ከዛ በኋላ በዛ ጉዳይ ላይ ለምንድን ነው ዛፎች የሚቆረጡት ሪዝኑን ፎርዋርድ እያደረኩ ፓራግራፉን ምጽፍ ከሆነ ሪዝኖቹ የዚህ ፓራግራፍ ሰፖርቲንግ ዲቴል ሆነ ያገለግሉኛል ማለት ነው። that is definition explains what a term, or I have already stated, but just said. For important things, whenever you write paragraph using definition, it tells readers what is being defined. What is being defined from the given paragraph? Simply by reading the first line in a given paragraph. So the paragraph can be developed with definition. So they understand what the idea is written here. አንባቢ ዲፋይን የተደረገው ነገር ሲያዩ ይሄ ነገር ስለዚህ ጉዳይ ነው የሚያወራው ፓራግራፍ በቀላሉ ፒክ አውት ማድረግ ይችላል ሐሳቡን ማለት ነው። It gives clear definition. Exactly. Clear definition means what's deforestation? The cutting down of trees. Clearly defined. No one is in confusion what is deforestation. Simply reading for the defined statement is clear that everyone can pick out, everyone can understand about the paragraph without any doubt. But it gives examples to explain the definition. Exactly. Yeah. Why do people cut that trees? I'm going to just give some examples why people cut a lot of trees. Yeah. This example is support for what's cutting down trees. Yeah. Cutting down trees የሚለውን ነገር ኤግዛምፕሎች ለምን ሪዝኑን የዘረዘርኩ ምጽፍ ከሆነ ለምንድን ነው ሰው ዛፎችን የሚቆርጡ የሚሉን ሐሳብ እያብራሩልኝ ይሄዳሉ ነው። It gives examples to explain the definition. Exactly. Simply, I'm not stopped writing, simply defining what is I want to define. So what are the critical analysis of the defined words? Critical analysis means the critical justification for the defining terms. Unless I may give detailed analysis for the defining terms, the paragraph lacks something, which is it doesn't give detailed information about the defined statement, so there is a problem while I write the paragraph here. Things which must be written in a paragraph should clearly stated in the reader's scope what is written in the paragraph. Out of it, where I write the paragraph with the definition, yes. Otherwise, something like that. Something is such a paragraph. Such a paragraph without correct analysis, without correct constructing of ideas. That's such a paragraph. Yeah. ስለዚህ አንድ ፓራግራፍ በትክክል በሚፈለገው መንገድ ከተጻፈ አንባቢው በቀላሉ ማወቅ የሚገባውን ነገር ያነባል ያቃል ከዛ ውጭ ግን ዝም ብሎ የሆነ ፓራግራፍ ምጽፍ ከሆነ አንባቢው ምንም ነገር አያነብም ቦሪንግ ሆኖ ይሄዳል እንዳውም ጠልቶት ይሄዳል ፓራግራፉን ነው እዚህ ጋር ማለት የፈለኩት ነገር so it gives details about examples that readers will understand I have already said it yeah detail analysis ቅድም ያልኩት ይሄ ነው I don't want to say any more about let me give you an example for how I write paragraph what is propaganda mean what's propaganda propaganda is information that is promoted to support certain views or messages ይሄ ፓራግራፉን ፕሮፓጋንዳ የሚለውን ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ዲፋይን አድርጎት ይሄደ ነው ፕሮፓጋንዳ ማለት kind of information yes ስለ አንድ ጉዳይ ስለ አንድ መልእክት ወይም ስለ አንድ ይዘት ስላለው ጉዳይ በኦን ቪዲዮ ስፒች ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም በሆነ ነገር ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል መልእክት ማስተላለፍ ፕሮሞት ማድረግ ማለት ነው ፕሮፓጋንዳ ways of conveying message on TV speeches or something another yes that's called propaganda ways of supporting on one idea ways of what opposing with one idea ways of conveying message to someone so that's called propaganda what's propaganda the transmitting of idea to the readers promotion of ideas promotion of views promotion of messages this is the definition of propaganda ምን ማለት ነው በዚህ ተርም certain views and messages ነው አንድ የተወሰኑ ሐሳቦችን ወይ መልእክቶችን ለማህበረሰቡ ወይ ማዳመጥ ለሚፈልግ ማህበረሰብ መግለጽ መቻል ማለት ነው መግለጽ መቻል ለምሳሌ አሜሪካን የፕሬዝዳንታዊ ምርጫ ፕሮፓጋንዳ ኦባማም ይሁን just that's called the previous president they promoted to the supporters they promote the propaganda how the supporters support them that kind of promotion is called propaganda yeah it can come in many forms yeah የተለያየ ፎርም አለ propaganda define ስናደርግ በተለያየ መልክ ነው ፕሮፓጋንዳው ምናት but it is purpose to pursue whatever any kind of different forms its purpose is to pursue yes the listeners or the readers የፕሮፓጋንዳ አይነቱ የተለያየ ቢሆንም መልእክቱ ግን አንድ ነው አዳማጩንም ይሁን ተከታዩን ማሳመን መቻል ነው that is አሁን በውስጡ ፕሮፓጋንዳ በውስጡ እንትኑ just purpose intent ነው ያ detail analysis ነው ይቀድም detail analysis of the given information ብለን የተናገረ ስለዚህ በዛ ጉዳይ ላይ purpose-ን ምን ማድረግ እንደሆነ ያያየን ነው yeah to pursue that to see things in certain way for example the president of United States may give on-screen speeches yeah በቴሌቪዥን መስኮት ነው ፕሮፓጋንዳ ቅስቀሳ ሲያደርግ የነበረው to convince us that some policy or action he supports is right አዮ ፕሮፓጋንዳውን የአሜሪካ ፕሬዝዳንት ለምርጫ ሲያቀርብ የነበረው ፕሮፓጋንዳ እሱ ተከትሎት የሚሄደው የአሜሪካ ህዝብና መንግስት የሚቀበሉት ትክክል እንደሆነ አድርጎ ነው ፕሮፓጋንዳውን ሲቀሰቅስ የነበረው ስለዚህ የሱ ደጋፊዎችም የፕሬዝዳንቱን ቅስቀሳ ምን ያደርጉ ሰፖርት ያደረጉ መልእክቱን እየተቀበሉ እያነበቡ እያዳመጡ ይሄዳሉ so that is main purpose ምንድነው to just to pursue the readers yeah ለምሳሌ ነው deforestation is the cutting down of trees people cut trees for different purposes the first one is for firewood the second for income the second beauty for grass indeed I want to give details for why people cut a lot of trees there yes my purpose of presenting this reason is different isn't it but my sake is I first define what deforestation under the deforestation what are the causes of cutting down trees yeah I'm just listening for some ideas so this way of writing paragraph is definition exactly definition look here we may get mailings on the subject mailings yeah mailing በኢሜል በዚህ በተገኘው ጉዳይ ላይ መልእክቶችን በኢሜል ማግኘት ይችላሉ ስለ ፕሮፓጋንዳው በእያንዳንዳቸው አድሬስ ላይ መልእክቱ ይደርሳቸዋል ያነባሉ ይረዳሉ so here people who agree with the president's message may speak in favor of it on talk shows or interviews ለምሳሌ በፕሬዝዳንቱ ፕሮፓጋንዳ ቅስቀሳ የተስማማ ሰውየውን ቶክ ሾው ላይ ሃርድ ቶክ ላይ ሊያወራ ይችላል። ሃርድ ቶክ ላይ ፕሪች ሊያደርግ ይችላል። ዋስኮ ዲስከሽን ሊፈጥር ይችላል። ካልሆነ ደግሞ with somebody ኢንተርቪው ሊያደርግ ይችላል። how these things can be run. What do you think of these programs? What is feeling regarding your first propaganda, your first message? Yeah. How do you run? What are some if some message, some obstacles may happen when you run your views, your agenda? How can you just cope that problem? Yeah. እንዲህ አይነት ለምሳሌ እንዴት ረን ታደርገዋለህ? ይሄን ስትፈጽም ችግር ቢያጋጥምህ ለዚህ መፍትሄ እንድታስቀምጣለህ። እንዲህ አይነት የመሳሰሉ ጥያቄዎችን በሃርድ ቶክ ሊያቀርቡ ይችላሉ። ካልሆነ በኢንተርቪው ሊያደርጉ ይችላሉ። አሁን ፓራግራፍ ውስጥ ያለውን ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ነው እያወራው ያለው። religious organization may spread propaganda. Absolutely. ልክ ነው። ሃይማኖታዊ ኦርጋናይዜሽኖች ስለ ሃይማኖታቸው ጉዳይ ፕሮፓጋንዳ ሊያደርጉ ይችላሉ ለሰፖርተር ለፎሎወራቸው exactly about the importance of certain actions or avoiding certain actions ልክ ነው ስለ በሃይማኖት ስለሚፈቀዱ ነገሮች ፕሮፓጋንዳ ሊያደርጉ ይችላሉ ሃይማኖቱ የማይፈቅዳቸው መከተል የማይገባቸው ነገሮች ካሉ ፕሮፓጋንዳ ያደርጋሉ absolutely የትኛውን ቦታ ያለ ነው for example many churches send positive messages to their members about the religious importance of the movie exactly ልክ ነው ፊልም ላይ ማንኛውም ፊልም ለማንኛውም ሰው የተፈቀደ አይደለም ተፈቃጅ ሆነ ለምሳሌ ትምህርት አዘል የሆነ ሃይማኖትን የማይጻረር ከሆነ ያን መልክ እንዴት መከተል እንደሚገባቸው እንዴት ማያት እንደሚገባቸው አድቫይዝ ያደርጋሉ it's a kind of propaganda ከዛ ውጭ ከሆነ ደግሞ ማንኛውንም በሙቪ መልክ የሚቀርብ ነገር መታየት እንደሌለበት ፕሮፓጋንዳ ሊያደርጉ ይችላሉ of course this is a kind of propaganda The crunches of just Neonia churches argue that their members to see that. Look no. Hey, this crunches of records of attitude records ነው ስለዚህ አሁን ምንድነው አድቫይስ የሚያደርጓቸው movie and even had their own showings hoping that the film would increase church attendance ልክ ነው የሚፈቅዱላቸው ምንድነው ተመልካቾቻቸው አባሎቻቸው በተለይ የቤተ ክርስቲያንን ትምህርት ተከትለው እንዲሄዱ እንዲያነቡ እንዲከተሏቸው ሊያደርጉ የሚችሉ ፊልሞችን እንዲያዩ ነው ፕሮፓጋንዳ የሚያደርጉት እንጂ እነሱን ከመስመር ሊያስወጣ የሚችሉ ፊልሞችን አይጋብዟቸው is a kind of propaganda is a kind of proper can be good as when a healthy organization is exactly ልክ ነው ፕሮፓጋንዳ ጥሩነቱ ምንድነው ጥሩ የሆነ convenient environment ይፈጥራል መልካም ጤናማ የሆነ መልካም ግንኙነት ሊያዳብር የሚችል ነገርን በፕሮፓጋንዳ ትራንስፈር ማድረግ እንችላለን ማስተላለፍ ይቻላል so NBA political groups publishes false or exaggerated information to attack another exactly there may be sometimes here propaganda especially for the activities and political leaders may just promote for maybe things which are false which can they will not do when they will have a chair they will have a stage they will have a time to given for the country maybe they may just like the people propaganda of course ማያደርጉትን ሁሉ ፕሮፓጋንዳ ለህዝባቸው ሊቀሰቀሱ ይችላሉ is a kind of propaganda no yes it's kind of it's a definition of propaganda the type of propaganda of course no look no because we are surrounded by propaganda it's important that we think about who is behind the message whether we believe information or not so propaganda አሁን እዚህ ጋር የናቸው ፐርፖዙ ከሪሊጂየስ አንፃር ከፖለቲካል አክቲቪስት አንፃር just ከተለያዩ አንገል ያየነው ምንድነው ፕሮፓጋንዳ ምን ማለት ነው የሚለውን ጽንሰ ሐሳብ በዚህ ፓራግራፍ ራይቲንግ ላይ የሆነ ነገር ጨብጠናል ስለዚህ this is also another way of writing paragraph ፓራግራፍን ስንጽፍ በዚህ መልክ ዴቨሎፕ ልናደርገው እንችላለን obviously so what's important here is please here I want to focus here is whenever you write an paragraph especially propaganda there must be a topic sentence an introduction body and conclusion here the different views in a given propaganda should be act as supporting details here that must be analyzed in detail and make a clear information to the supporters or the readers or the listeners otherwise if things which are beyond this the ways of writing paragraph is somehow has some problems so we have to recheck it and check it please and this is also another way of paragraph development so I'll give you some titles that you will practice to write paragraph using democracy what's democracy define the definition of democracy what success to me mean what's goal oriented define what's goal oriented mean A good student is someone who gives value for his or his education. This is my definition. A good student is someone who always uses a study plan. This is my definition. Ethical in any environment. Ethical is an important governance for everybody. It's my definition, yeah? የኔ definition ነው የምጽፈው ለምሳሌ ethical በሚለው ብጽፍ እንደዚህ ጽፈዋለሁ ethical is an important governance or an individual governance whatever in an aspect of an individual. So this is ethical means ethical ማለት individual governance ነው መንግስት አየኝ ያላየኝ ምን አየኝ ያላየ ብዬ ሳይሆን ራሴን ልገዛበት የሚያስችለኝ የህይወቴ መርህ ነው ለኔ ethical ማለት ይሄ ለኔ definition ነው ለእናንተስ እንዴት ጽፉታላችሁ practice it አለው frugal ይላችኋል was fantasy was collaboration ምንድነው ለእናንተ how can you define collaboration using these example words try to write at least 150 to 300 words of paragraph using definition. I think you got some points how you write the paragraph with definition. So how can just you are able to define some important words in your own words? Have you practiced this yet? If not, I'll give you words and try to practice to write the paragraph by defining the given words. I hope again you'll improve. You'll start to write. You'll be a good writer. I think